Hello everyone! Welcome to the Maxi Pixie channel. Today we're going to draw and color a fun camping. We'll draw a camping tent, big mountains, a bright sun, green trees, a fluffy cloud, and a warm campfire. Let's start drawing! First, let's draw a large pine tree on the right. And let's draw some bushes underneath it. Now we're drawing a large pine tree on the left. And of course, we're drawing bushes underneath it. In the middle, we draw a camping tent using triangle shapes. Now we are drawing a big pointy mountains in the background. And adding some snow on top. We're drawing grass. Now we draw a circle for the sun and draw little lines around it. We are drawing a small cloud in the sky. Finally, we are drawing a small campfire in front of the tent and adding some logs underneath. Perfect! We've finished drawing camping tent, mountains, pine trees, clouds, sun, and campfire. Let's start coloring. Light gray for mountains. Blue for mountains. Green for pine trees. Same green for grass. Yellow for the sun. Light blue for cloud. Orange for camping tent. Yellow for camping tent and yellow for camping fire. Orange for camping fire. Red for camping fire. Brown for pine tree trunks. Brown again for campfire. Gray for camping tent. Green for grass. Well done! We've finished drawing and coloring camping. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video!